I'm Mona, this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I am excited to bring you this video today. I love collabs with J Dolls UK, Beth Ramsden, and Tammy Polly. Peacecraft Dolls with Tammy Polly. And I'll have all of their links either in the title or description. Please visit their channel. You will want to see their videos today because we have something in my heart very special. You know, I'm smitten with Blythe Dolls. I mean, smitten with Blythe Dolls. I just got back from BlytheCon, and let me tell you about the pattern we use today. Let me come around. We got our patterns from Etsy from a pirate, and I say that because Hasbro holds the right and Simplicity has the rights to these patterns. And these are made for Kinners, made for the Blythe Kinner dolls, but they were made with Hasbro's permission in 2010 after Gina Garin, and if you notice right here, all these photos are Gina's. And who is Gina? She's the one that got Blythe Dolls recognized again. She took Blythe Dolls that she had bought and did books. She does beautiful photography. And people saw these and fell in love with the Kinner Blythe doll, but they were hard to find and most of them well played with. And so Takara came out in Japan, came out with the Takara Blythe doll. And a lot of people, and this will knock some of you people off your chair, if you're a Takara owner and you talk about factories being fakies, a lot of people say Takaras are fakey Blythes. Anyway, we took this pattern. The idea was we could pick any pattern we wanted and make an outfit for a Blythe doll. And I really like this outfit a lot. It's really cute. The little doll's face is cute. So I made the little dress, and let me tell you about that. I am I sew all the time, and I used to make my own clothes and stuff. But in this miniature size, it's different. These patterns are not for a beginner. For the coat and the dress, these are the pieces that you need to put it together. This was like, for me, a very fun little puzzle to put this all together to make these outfits. My new Takara that I got on eBay, she came up on the Kinner page, which I look at a few times a day. And do you hear my husband laughing? She has beautiful eyes. Let me show you her eyes real quick. And she's going to get a bath. The green is so different. And then the side green, and of course pink and blue. Let me show you these again. There's the light green and the side green. Love it, love it. But look at it now. Oh my, my. I put her in the bathtub with talcum powder, baby powder, and I just rubbed that all, I laid her down like this, sprinkled the baby powder, shook it a bit, did the back side, got it in there really good, left her sit for 24 hours. Then I gave her 2 shampoos and let her stand in the stand backwards. This is how I stand them up when they're wet. I gave her a good bath. This doll is beautiful. She does have a few flyaway hairs that just keep coming in her face. But this is the little dress I made. Very proud of it. And I only put 1 snap in the back. It calls for 2, but I was out of small snaps, so it was kind of a medium, and they were going to be like, I don't know, too close. So I just used the 1. So here's her little dress, and then the little dress called for this short and top pattern underneath it. As you can see, she's wearing it in the photo. This is an Ashton Drake Gallery reproduction Blythe. I got her also on eBay without a box. I have, gosh, I don't know how many I have, but most of them came with their box and all their papers and everything. But this little girl did not, and I don't love her any less. I'm thrilled to have her. But this is the little shorts and top. And as you can see, and I cut these patterns out absolutely correct. And I did my seam allowance exactly like the pattern said. How would I get that under this dress? I don't know. And then there were the socks. And the socks, I used the pattern. However, I did use socks, human socks, as my fabric. And I mean, these are kin size. They might be 14-inch doll size. So they didn't get the socks on. But you know what? I'm okay with that. So I also made the coat. Let me put her in her stand. Oh, I love these dolls. I am so smitten with Blythe dolls. I love them all, and I think I have all the brands, the registered trademark and the factory. I love them. Let me show you this. The first thing I did to make this little coat, again, a bunch of pieces. The first thing I did to make it, to try it out, was I made a little hat. And as soon as I got the hat done, I was like, oh yeah, I'm doing this. It is so cute. I love. Look at these little flyaway hairs. They're going to have to be fixed. So cute, this little hat. And she can wear it like, you know, several different ways. So then I got the pattern back out. And because I was going to use fleece, polar fleece, I took the pattern, and the reason I did this is because if you notice inside, the polar fleece has a fat seam. You have 2 layers minimum of the fat polar fleece. So what I did was I took my patterns, I pinned them to a piece of copy paper, and then where is the same one? No, that wouldn't be one. Where's one so I can show you? Oh gosh, is this it? Yeah, I think it is. 32, 31. Yeah, 31, that's it. And I made it a little larger all the way around, and I did all of them this way. The mistake I made was I brought the length down, and I should not have done that, and I'll show you that in a minute. But that's how I did, you know, all of this pattern. I scaled it up just a little bit. So here are the patterns that I did. Daisy is wearing the hat. I will say for the pattern, that simplicity pattern, if you're using that on an AliExpress or what I call Blythe 202 with the articulated hands, you do need to cut wide on your patterns because the body is thicker. This is a Kinner Blythe. And you can see how cute the little coat fits. And I do not have an outfit under here, but I could. It was made so that I could. See what I'm saying? By the time I added my cuffs, the sleeves got too long. And I am not a fan of outfits where the sleeves hang down on the Blythe dolls. I like it to fit. And there's her little coat. And look at the back. Her little collar. Oop, 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 oop. There it is. There's her little backside with the coat. And I love the hat. I love the hat. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel, but mostly thank you, Beth, Jay, and Tammy. I really appreciate that we did this fun and exciting pattern. It was fun for me. I learned a lot. I got to tell you, oh, that rolled a little bit. On this particular piece, the top, you cut a piece and make bias tape for the collar, and then you gather the shirt. And I was trying to add my rickrack at the same time as pushing the gather up into this shorter bias tape. You know, it didn't do that before the video. It was laying nice and flat. See if I can fix that. There we go. Ah, there we go. I'm telling you, it was laying flat. Please believe me. Anyway, I had a lot of trouble with that. I had to rip it out twice. The third time, I had to give it to Darren and walk away. I was so angry. But once I just put the bias tape on first and then did the rickrack, it just went. So don't try it at the same time. But the little shorts are real cute. They're cute little outfits. I can't wait to use this pattern again. Today we are going to do a holiday cheer, and that is if you will all join in, and I can't tell you how happy I am that you are joining in this holiday cheer. And go to these channels, leave a subscription, leave a like, and then like all the comments going down the page, all the other comments that were left. Leave your regular comment and then leave one that says holiday cheer. What that does is it boosts that channel into the algorithm a little bit, and it gives them some extra oomph for their channel. Today we are going to do Doll Cure. And that is a fun new channel for me. She's been coming to my channel for a while. I always appreciate it, but I know her more from Instagram than I do on YouTube. So she also has an Instagram channel if you would like to go there and see it too. I am smitten by Blythe dolls. I mean, I love each and every one of them. I don't call them fakies. I love my Kinners as much as I do my Column Factory or Alley Blythe or 202 or whatever you want to call them. I play with these more because they are easier to get. They are more new. Don't be a doll snob. If we threw them all in a hot frying pan, promise you they will all melt the same. All Blythes are fantastic dolls and fun to play with. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.